We have um I see Adrian and Amanda, Arno, Bays, Kendall Green. Good to see you, Kendall Green. They have a great family. I follow your son on TikTok, by the way. Byron Jackson, Cedric, Mr. Jan Jasmine. Good to see you. Patrick, Chris Long, Christian, Terrell, Edna Sanders, Elaine, Michael Watkins, Nellie Moore. Let's see, Justin Pender. Good morning. Emily Mack, El Haj. Let's see, Eric Travis, Ranthon, good to see you. Greg, Natasha, Sydney, Terrell, Trinae Armstrong. Good morning to everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. All right, so how are your stocks doing? How's your portfolio doing today? Are you just killing it, making a ton of money? Are you kind of squeamish? Are things going good, bad, in the middle? I'd be curious to know. It's an interesting market right now. It looks like for certain assets, there's a little bit of a pullback, but overall, I have to look and see what the overall Dow is looking like, and I'll kind of give you guys some insights in terms of what I've been seeing, what I've been reading, and also if you log in at the blackstockmarketprogram.com, look under what Dr. Boyce is buying. There's a list of stocks. Okay, so the market went up slightly today. Okay, so there's a tiny little rise, right? And let's see here, okay, and so if you log in and you look under what Dr. Boyce is buying, you'll be able to find some stuff that I recommended. I'm going to put another list of stocks up for this week, probably five. There are a lot of good deals, I think, right now because the market's stuttering a little bit. The I just saw a report by Goldman Sachs where they're actually anticipating that the S&P 500 is going to have another good year. And I think it has to do with the fact that they expect that the Fed is going to reduce interest rates. So remember, we spent a couple of years with the Fed increasing interest rates, which was causing the market to drop. Well, now they're going to go in the opposite direction, they believe. And also, what's interesting is that if there's what they call a black swan event, like if something bad happens in the Middle East, the war breaks out, and I saw evidence the war could be widening. We could actually be going to war. That will actually accelerate the Fed's decision to lower interest rates because they don't want the economy to crash. Because if there is a war, that's probably one of the things that would happen. You would see the stock market kind of drop a little bit. And also, for those of you that like to sell stock options and stuff like that, just know tonight we're doing at 8 p.m. stock options, how to sell stock options for beginners. It's called Prime 101. And in a second, what I'll do is I'll share the link with you all.